Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive crypto in Trust Wallet. First, launch your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. It's a straightforward process that ensures your digital assets arrive safely. You will need to select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to receive, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, simply tap the Receive button to proceed to the next step and find your unique wallet address for that asset. Once you tap Receive, your unique wallet address will appear on the screen. This address is a long string of alphanumeric characters. You will also see a QR code, which is a visual representation of your address. Remember, each cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, has its own distinct receiving address. Always ensure you are viewing the correct address for the asset you expect to receive to avoid any errors. Now that you have your address, you can easily share it. Tap the Copy button to copy the address to your device's clipboard, then paste it to the sender. Alternatively, the sender can simply scan the QR code displayed on your screen. A critical step is to always confirm that the sender uses the exact same blockchain network as your receiving address to prevent any loss of funds. After the sender initiates the transaction, the cryptocurrency will appear in your Trust Wallet once the network confirms it. This process typically takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. You can track the transaction status directly within your Trust Wallet application. Always double-check the wallet address and network details before any transfer, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible and sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.